Hey y'all, welcome back to another banging video, and if you're new here, welcome to my channel. So it is your girl, it is the Bling Queen back in the cut, and if y'all know me, y'all know everything about me is extra and bling and wow. Okay, I mean, hello, look at my PJs. Like, I wore the perfect PJs on the perfect day because the cups I'm about to show you in this video are not just your normal like $2 plastic Starbucks cups. There's nothing wrong with those, but these are your elite, beautiful, bougie cups. And yeah, so I'm gonna just show you guys everything. I've been wanting to do this video for a really long time and I was holding back, but once I got my final cup, I was like, it's time to film, Patricia. Get in front of that camera and start showing. So I just want to show you guys some of my cup collections. Yes. Can I be extra? Sure. Are my cups super bling? Yes. When we mix together, does it become like a mess sometimes? Maybe, you know what I'm saying? But this is me. Like, this is me. This is what I do. This is what I like. So I just want to show you guys, and I feel like the people around me have just gotten used to and understand that this is my ish, and so a lot of times some of these have been as gifts. So I don't, I'm not want to be spending the money, okay? Like, relax. Because I know these are like super expensive sometimes, and not this one in specific that I'm going to show you guys. This is just a limited edition one, but there's some that I will be showing you guys that are a little bit more like a little bit up there in price. But yeah, I really like the cups and stuff, and I've been wanting to do this video for a long time, so I'm going to show you guys my cup collection. Before we get started though, if you guys could please like, comment, and subscribe, I would truly appreciate it because we're on a road to 10K. Let's get it! So yeah, subscribe to join the family because we're growing, we're glowing, we're gonna get there. 10K is on the way. And yeah, I mean, look at these press-ons I bought, literally just to match this cup. It's ridiculous. But yeah, it's me. Like, I'll call myself out, but I also do it. So it's like, whatever. We're here to talk about the cups, not about my extra lifestyle. So anyways, your girl purchased for Christmas the limited edition. It literally says it here. I want to show you guys up close. Can you guys see it? It says limited edition down here. Limited edition hydro flask. It says cup holder friendly, spill proof design, double wall insulated, and sweat free producer. This is how it looks. I love like the back. Like, look at that. Like, so yeah, and then this is the back over here. Very pretty. I got this one actually at TJ Maxx. You guys would be so in shock. Literally TJ Maxx. This is my cheapest cup that I have, but it was also limited edition. So this is how the cup looks. I want you guys to see it. It's just all blinged out. It doesn't say anything because some of my other cups have like my name engraved or like in bedazzled on it. This one doesn't. It's just the simple gray cup, but it's bedazzled and it's so cute. I'm literally obsessed. I've never ever had a Stanley cup, nothing. I didn't understand the rave. I guess you can just hold them like this. This here has like, I think you have to take this off. There's like a little wrapping here. I'm sure you guys can hear it. I gotta take that off, but I'll take it off when I start using it. Obviously in the bottom it has this so that it's not sliding. And I mean, I guess you just twirl this open and you can put whatever in there. Oh, okay, here we go. So this is the cup. I gotta literally wash it, but that's the lid, and you can just put it back on, I guess. And I like how you can hold it like this. I'm obsessed. It's just so pretty. It's just all bedazzled, literally. It's just all bedazzled. Just all gray. They only had this color in the limited edition box, and I'm so happy I got it. I got some matching sneakers to go with it, and then my uniform for work is gray, so it pairs perfectly. Not to mention that this is just a color that you can use whenever, so I'm very excited about this cup, like very excited. Another cup that I'm super excited about, I got this cup today, and I think this is obviously a different style. I don't know if the Stanley cup comes with like this where you can just hold the handle, or if it comes like this where it's like fully, like fully holding. I'm not sure how the style is supposed to look, but anyways, this isn't the cup that I got today. I actually got this from my pharmacy manager, and she's literally the sweetest person. She didn't really know me that well, but she knew I was studying to be a PA, which a lot of you guys know that I've been trying to do. And so she got me this cup here. It's pink, which is my fave. And this is Patricia with my last name, future physician assistant. And then back here it says PA. And then literally inside she put like a lotto ticket, which I got to scratch off to see if I win anything, if your girl's a millionaire. And then she put Godiva chocolates in here as well. And I love these Godiva chocolates. Like, these are like my favorite. Look. Oh, they're different flavors. Oh, I didn't know that. Oh, that's so cool. Well, she put the Godiva ones in there. Then she put this, like I said, the lotto ticket in here. This is the lid. And then it also comes with a straw. And I mean, just the fact that she put so much thought into it, like, this is obviously going to be one of my favorite cups. I thought this was my favorite cup because of all the bling it has and it just being a Stanley Cup dupe, I guess. I was like, oh, this is going to be my new favorite cup because I'm tired of the Starbucks ones that I have, even though they're bedazzled and beautiful. I was like, this is going to be my new favorite one. I'm not going to lie, y'all. This is my new favorite one because I feel like it just represents so much. Like, it just means so much to me, truthfully. Like, the fact that I was studying pharmacy and then I switched over to PA, and when you tell pharmacists that, they're usually kind of like, oh, why don't you want to study pharmacy? Like, they always want to get you to kind of go on their side. So the fact that she was so understanding and like, go for it, go for PA, this and that, and even does me a cup, my favorite color with my name. Like, she knows how much I love cups. Like, truthfully, I'm in complete awe. I feel so special. Like, I could literally cry right now, and I don't want to do that. So this is honestly my favorite cup, for real, for real, for real. So that's another one, and then I'm gonna keep showing you guys some of the ones I have. Hold on. So here are some of my other cups, which I'm gonna show you guys all of them now, but I just thought this would be a better close-up. I have this red one, it says Patricia on it. This orange one also says Patricia on it, and then it has the little straw decal. And then this is my favorite. The lid was coming off for some time now, like all these jewels, and so I had to hot glue it back on. But this is by far one of my favorite ones. I just love the different colors and then the pearl, and it's just, I don't know, it's awesome. This is giving so like sparkly. This is not like the actual beads like these are, like the rhinestones. This is the same material that this is, which I'm not sure what it's called, but it's like a gel, so it's very smooth. It has like that glitter insulated inside, but the lid over here does have the rhinestones, and then of course it comes with the straw decal, and the straw is not your normal green straw. It's a little bit more festive. Then up next over here, I have this green one, all rhinestones encrusted. I love this because it's giving Publix. This one says my full YouTube name on it, Patricia Isabelle, Patricia Isabelle. So I love this because, like I said, a lot of these are personalized. So this one is, like I said, Patricia Isabelle, and it's just the green encrusted. This one doesn't have the personalization of my name, which it doesn't need to, but it has those pearls and all those other pretty stuff. This one here, this was giving more of like my birthday. A lot of these, like I said, I was gifted. This red one is also one of my faves. It has the Patricia just up in the front. And then this one has the same thing as that, like gel insulated inside. And the top is just like dipped with glitter. And it has a little pumpkin decal. This is giving my fall, my Christmas. This is just giving depending on my outfit, my birthday, Publix. Over here I have this one for Valentine's Day, which is like an insulated, like one of those metal cups. It has the thick straw up here at the top, and I can put water or coffee or anything because it's like the insulated ones. The little glitters, the little hearts have like glitter around them, so it's just giving Valentine's Day. And then this here is a glass jar, and I bought this little hoodie separate from the Coca-Cola store in Atlanta. So I actually got this specific cup in Atlanta, and they have the Coca-Cola store there. So if I were to lift up the little shirt, you guys will see it. It says Coca-Cola, and it says delicious and refreshing. Over here it says it at the top as well, but just to take off that little hoodie is such a hassle. But anyways, I bought the hoodie separate, and it's just like a reminder thing of that I got this at Atlanta. Like, I feel like the way I like to do it is I like to buy souvenirs instead of getting your typical keychain. I like to get cups and mugs. So that's what this resembles, and I thought this was nice for like some iced coffee. It's cute. It's giving kind of like mason jar vibes. So yeah, I have all of these. I have this exact same one actually in white, and that was the first cup I ever got, the white one, and it was gifted to me from my boss. Or the mom of the little girl I babysat at the time, and it was white, and then it had Patricia Isabelle in pink. I don't know where I placed that cup. I cannot find that cup. But yeah, I had it in green, red, and then white. But like I said, I cannot find that cup. I'm gonna obviously try looking more for that cup. I'm not sure exactly where I could leave it or who would want a cup that I have clearly put my bacteria and germs and mouth on. But you never know nowadays. So obviously somebody either took it or threw it away, or I just don't I don't know where I could have possibly left it. It's so unlike me to leave a cup somewhere. But yeah, oh, let me film like this so y'all can see the cups in the background, because that's where the real beauty is at. So yeah, anyways, I had that. Like I said, the green and the red are very similar. It's simply just like the personalization of my name that's in a different spot in each cup. But the white one, it was already getting kind of old, and because it was white, I felt like, and I always would put coffee in it, I felt like the color was changing a little bit. Maybe if I would have just put water in it. But these are clearly just like not really meant for, like, you put water in it, but they're not meant for it. The first two I showed in this video are definitely more for water because they're giving like that Stanley cup appearance, and those are good for water. But yeah, I usually just put my coffee in those. So the white one was, you know, it was time for the white one to go anyway, okay? But I just hate that, like, I didn't make that decision and throw it out or whatever. It's almost like somebody else made that decision for me, but maybe it was for the best. I'm not gonna stress it. I don't know where it is, but I had that last one. But other than that, that really just concludes, like, it completes my cup collection. Now, obviously, this is separate from my mugs. If you guys think I have a lot of cups, you guys would be really surprised with my mugs. And of course, I just showed kind of like my favorite cups and in the span of this video. But I have a lot more cups too. They're just not like the bling, bling, bling that y'all saw here. Everything here is like diamond encrusted, bling, bong, like, wow, you know. The other cups that I have, some of them have a little bit of sparkle, a little bit of shimmer, but it's not giving like the rhinestones and the bling effect and personalized, and gotta get them off of Etsy because these are, you know, unique or exclusive. Like, it's not giving that, so that's why I didn't show them all. But if y'all want to see a part 2 to some of the cups I have had prior to these, please let me know. And if y'all want to see a video where I just show you guys all my mugs, just in general, not, you know, the cups of that I used to use or the cups I use now, just like all my mugs in general, which is different than the cups, go ahead and let me know as well, because I would love to show you guys. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed my video. I would say that one of my favorite cups, like I said, I love this cheetah print one. It is, oh, here. This cheetah print one is everything because I think I really love the pearls. And then I also really like the red one because one of my favorite colors is red. And I wear black a lot, so I feel like the red really just gives it a pop. The green is practical because I use it for work all the time. I don't use much of the pink one. My mom surprised me with that one for Christmas last year. But I still think it's cute for my birthdays and things like that. It's all right. I used to have this really, really blinged one that I originally got for my birthday. And it was fuchsia, whatever. So it was very hot pink. But I low-key dropped it and it broke. So yeah, I've gone through a few cups here, okay? These aren't just the only ones. I've gone through a few cups here. I've either lost, misplaced, broken, or felt like they weren't shimmery enough to be in this video. But other than that, that kind of just completes this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe because we're on a road to 10K. Let's get it. And yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.